Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haroldus and I recently bought a non-running 2008 Volvo V50 from the Facebook marketplace. It cost me £300 and it turned out to be money well spent. This car was a complete gamble as I bought it without even starting the engine because it wouldn't start. The guy selling it initially wanted £410 for it. I offered £300 and he accepted. It has 125,000 miles on the clock. Considering its age, I don't think it's that much. It still has an MOT for a couple of months, and so the main problem was that it wouldn't start. In the dash it kept showing immobilizer try start again fault and it wouldn't even crank the engine. The first thing that I tried was buying a new battery, as I've seen on Google that apparently low voltage can cause this. That didn't work. After some research, I found a video on YouTube where a guy fixed this exact problem on a different Volvo.
No crank, no start, and the warning on the dash when we switch the ignition off says immobilizer, try start again.
And it turns out I had the same problem, and this guy either works or owns a garage called ECUConnection in Norwich, and the problem was a lost sync between a BCM module that was under the glove box and an ECM module that was under the passenger side front wheel. So I took them both out of the car and sent it to them, and for £150 he resynced them and sent it back to me. I've put them both back in the car and it started without any errors after sitting there on the drive for about 2 months. The moral of the story is that you can fix cars with the power of YouTube, and also taking a calculated gamble can pay off. My thought process was the worst case scenario, I can always scrap the car and get around £200 for it, only losing 100. I've been daily driving it for the last 2 weeks and it's an old car, but it seems to be running fine, and the 2-litre diesel is quite fun to drive. Like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.
Volvo Turbo.